after the Supreme Court judgment on the 3 years practice requirement. Now, many of you who've been preparing anyway for the judiciary exam must be thinking कि I completed 3 years of practice. I waited to become eligible and now suddenly इतने सारे candidates eligible हो गए. And obviously we understand कि yes, eligibility criteria की वजह से candidates का number बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. And definitely there will be younger candidates, fresh law graduates who've just come out of law school and they will become eligible और उनको इस 3-year rule की requirement नहीं है. So definitely competition has increased. But does that mean कि जो आपने 3 साल की practice करी, has it become meaningless? Of course not. In fact, उन 3 सालों की वजह से आपको काफ़ी advantage भी होगी. You just need to find your edge कि आपके पास ऐसा क्या है जो बाकी candidates के पास नहीं है. And more importantly, how you can convert your edge into marks. So, अब notification कभी भी out हो जाएगी. So let us assume that you have 3 months in hand and आपके पास वो edge आएगी because of firstly daily answer writing, then strong command over procedural laws, multiple revision of bare acts, daily MCQ practice, and knowing which subjects are more important for the exam in terms of marks. You should also work on your weak areas and untouched areas in this duration. And सबसे ज़्यादा important ये है कि जो भी आपको information आती है, are you able to reproduce that during the exam time frame or not? So just ask yourself, what can I do in the next 3 months so that I am ahead of everyone who's just become eligible? And that is exactly why we are going to give you a free live session where we are going to tell you the exact structure that you need for next 3 months, what you need to prioritize, how you need to balance prelims and mains, how you need to do daily answer writing, and you need to work on which subjects more than the others. If you want to attend that live session, which is absolutely free, just write live session in the comment section. I'm going to hold the free live session on coming Wednesday, and that is going to be very beneficial for your judiciary exams. Stay tuned with us at Mansarovar Law Center for very important judiciary related any sort of update and help. Thank you. I'm going to hold the free live session on coming Wednesday.